Hi guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. The new subscribers, welcome, and my OG, I love you so much. Continue growing the channel. Today's video, I feel like I need to show you how I make my okra water, because I feel like I've been drinking okra water for 2 weeks. This is my third week. And I feel like okra water has been helping me in so many ways. I'm telling you, my tummy used to be big. Like anytime I eat something, I feel like my clothes are not fitting well. You know, my weight has been gaining. I don't know, it's stress or whatever. But since I started drinking okra water, I feel like my skin is clear. I feel like in the morning when I wake up, I have lots of energy. I don't know what's up with okra, but I'm feeling good. Okay, and guys, you can go Google about okra water, or you can watch videos, whatever, people who have made okra water, the benefits. Of course, I have highlighted the benefits before on my channel. You can check the video here. But one of the benefits that I'm seeing really happening is losing of weight. I can see my tummy getting flatter and flatter and flatter. And I can see my old pants fitting so well. So that means okra water is doing something. And it's not only okra water that I'm drinking. Of course, I'm eating like normal, like I eat, but I eat healthy. I'm choosing to eat healthy. But this video in particular, I was going to show you how I make my okra water and where I get my okra water. And yes, I use organic okra water. What I'm talking about, I have okra. Yes, I have big okra. I have small okra. And this okra, actually, I get it from my garden kitchen, which I'm going to be showing you a video of my kitchen garden. So I have so many videos on my kitchen garden. These are organic. I harvest like pretty much every day. These okra producing so much. So this is the okra that I use from my garden. So what I do with this okra, I get a bottle. I have a bottle here that I'm going to be showing you, a jar. You can call it a jar or a bottle. So I have a bottle and I have a lid here. So this bottle I use to preserve my pears that I have, which are in my backyard, and organic pears. Guys, I love organic. How many loves to eat organic? Comment below. Since now the economy is so bad, so I feel like eating organic or planting, even though it's tiny, so little, go ahead and plant. And I'm telling you, it's worth it. Now I planted my okra, and now I'm using my okra in all means. Okay, so what I do with this okra, let me show you. I cut the okra in the jar. I put the okra in the jar. You can just cut okra in any way you want. You can just cut it in the middle. Of course, I have a cutting board here, but I feel like I need to show you. I have a little cutting board. This cutting board, me and this cutting board, we have a history. I don't know why my cutting board, for some reasons, it's split into two pieces. I don't know, but I have so many, but I don't know why I love this one. Okay, but still it works and I'm using it, so don't worry. So I use this too because I feel like it's quick. So but for now I'm gonna showing you with my hands because of where I put my camera. So what I do, I cut my okra into this bottle here. Guys, it depends how many you want. You can put 2, you can put 3. But since I'm growing my own, I can put as many as I want, okay? And again, you can use frozen okra or you can use organic. If you don't grow or you don't have organic, don't worry. You can use frozen organic as well. You can go buy it and just freeze it. Or sometimes you can find them in the freezer sections in the stores like Kroger or Walmart, or in other stores in your country, all over the world. You have a store, a grocery store somewhere. So you can go and get okra from there. So I think this is enough. This is okra. It's enough for me. So what I'm going to do, this okra is a half. I'm going to bring water, just plain water. Give me a second. Let me grab my water. So I'm going to use this purified water here to pour in the jar so that I can put in a fridge overnight. And this water, okra, you can change it maybe after 3 days or 4 days. You can just smell it and smell if it's spoiled, but it can stay 2 to 3 to 4 days. All you have to do is to keep, after you empty and use it, you keep adding water. So we are going to add water. And when this water stays overnight, it's going to dance. It's going to go down. And that's what we're looking for. Again, before I fill this bottle, I'm going to tell you something. Some people don't like the smell of okra. For me, it smells good. And some people don't like to drink it. If you want to drink it, don't hesitate to add lemon. For me, I don't have to add lemon, but you can add lemon, or you can add grapefruit, or you can add passion fruit, anything that you want to add in here, so that it's going to make you to drink this organic water. But for me today, I don't like to add it, or sometimes, but today I am going to drizzle a little bit of lemon juice in here. Look at that. So look at that, especially my happy. He loves to drink this with lemon. So that's what I'm doing. So all this juice is going in here. There you go. So after the juicy is going in here, I am going to fill the water like that. Look at that. I feel that's enough. Yeah. This is my okra water. So I'm going to put a lid and cover it up. And it's going to stay overnight. And tomorrow, I am going to use it. What I've done, because I have so many of these bottles that I bought before when I used to make my smoothies from my pears, which we are going to start. I have so many bottles here. So if you look at my fridge, there's so many bottles here. But this one, I wanted to make a new one to demonstrate for you how I make okra water. Now, this is my okra water with lemon. So if I have a sticker, I'm going to write here okra with lemon. So that's when I differentiate if it's lemon, if it's grapefruit, or if it's plain. Okay, so you can mess it up with the way you want, but I love my okra water. And this is how Umoto Lifestyle makes her okra water. But I'm going to show you a clip a little bit at the end of this video where I get my okra water, or my organic kitchen, where I get my okra water. Okay, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. My name is Umoto Lifestyle. I'm here to bring you content, authentic content about my lifestyle here in the US. Okay, make sure you share my videos with your friend, your cousin, your auntie, your grandmother, father, with everybody. Yes, I can be a comedian sometimes. So guys, thank you so much. And the new subscribers, welcome. And the OG, I love you so much. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell. That's when you know when I'm popping another video.